Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on the Vivo X200 Pro. Okay, so let's begin. So I just uninstalled my app and installed it just to show you the whole process. So let's go straight into our WhatsApp. The app welcomes us, and in here you need to simply select your language that you are interested in. Now in here click on agree and continue. You can allow WhatsApp to send your notifications, and now in here you need to type your phone number, so that's what I'm gonna do now, so give me a second. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay, and once you have verified your phone number, you have this contacts and media. You can click on continue, give WhatsApp allow to your contacts, music, and all of this stuff. And now, as you can see, we had looking for backups, and now we have the option to restore our chats. As you can see, also we have the date on how long the backup was made. In my case, it's 4 minutes ago. Also below we have the size and the account on which the backup was made. Okay, and now to restore, simply click on this green button. Now the process has started, so we need to wait a little bit until it's finished. Okay, now as you can see, 10 messages restored, your media will restore in the background, so now we can click on yes. In the profile info, simply type your name in here. I'll just leave it as it is for now. Now click on next. And now just to make sure, as you can see, all of the messages have been successfully restored, including the photos and the video. Okay. So, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.